Hey guys, real quick, I wanted to talk about something very important that you should have in every single survival kit that you can make. This is something that it's very valuable, it's very useful, and yeah, you must, like in my opinion, you must have this in your kit. And what they are is plastic bags. You know, you can get these for free at Walmart or Winco. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can put them down into really small sized bags and you can carry them in your kits. You know, they fit nice and snug inside of your kits. You know, like if you wanted to have a designated kit, you know, just for your water, it goes really nice inside those. You can put them inside Outwitme. You can put them inside of a backpack. You can basically do anything with these because they go down to really small sizes. You can also put them inside of straws. This is a plastic bag, produce bag that I just rolled up. It's not even that tight. It looks that tight, but there's actually a stir stick inside there just for extra. But I did see a video where a guy was able to stuff one of these produce bags into a straw really neatly, and I tried a few times to try to get it that tight, could not figure it out, so props to that guy. I can't remember the name. I think his name is Mechzilla or Mezilla on YouTube. Really cool channel. But he was able to get one of these in there really snug. I don't take the patience to do it, so I roll it up, not sloppy, but I roll it up fairly tight, and then I just take a straw and I cut the straw down the middle, and then I just push it over. I just pinch it over the top and then put a piece of tape on there. Works really well, I think, and it doesn't take up that much more space that a straw that is not cut. So really easy thing, you know, cut the straw in half and just slip it over there, slip it over the tube. That goes really nice inside of a kit. It can go both ways. You can even put it inside of your mini Outwitme. This thing is also, for the size and the space of what you're getting and stuff, these things are just super valuable, priceless actually. And the amount of water you can carry inside of a produce bag, which I'm going to get to in a second. I'm actually going to show you how much water you can put inside of these produce bags. It's fairly strong on the bottom. I usually go to Walmart, and when I buy apples or whatnot and stuff, I usually grab a bunch more. Yeah, I'm probably the produce bag thief from the store. Winco, of course, has these awesome bulk bags. These ones are a clear plastic, which is pretty nice. I really like that one. That's what's inside of this bag right here. I don't try to squeeze them into the smaller ones because they're easier. They're easier when they're more flat like this, and if you try to squeeze them into one of these, they're much more fatter. And then, of course, the meat bags from Walmart, they're actually pretty strong too. I've put, you know, big things of chicken inside these bags, and it was able to hold them and stuff, you know. And that was like maybe what I think 6 to 10 pounds at least of chicken that these bags can hold on to. And they're really easy to open. I'm not going to open it because I don't like the wrinkled, warped look, but you just push your fingers together like this and it just comes open with friction. All right, so how much can these bags hold and how strong can they be when they're holding water? You open up your produce bag. I've already put water in this one and then poured it out because I was just going to see something for an experiment. This water bottle right here, I had some measuring cups up, but they're dirty, and they're not in camera because they look nasty. But this is the 26 ounce mark right here, and I filled it up all the way to the top, and I'm just going to pour this in here. And look how much space that takes. Seriously, not a lot. Not at all. Lot at all. Let's just keep going. I think 30 ounces is, I think that's a quart, right? 16 ounces is a pint. So maybe it's 32 ounces is a quart. Which is awesome for water purification tablets, because those are, put 2 of those in there and you can purify a quart. There's 2, starting to get fairly heavy. Let's add another one just to see. And this is just the produce bag. The meat bags can hold probably twice as much water as this. Though I don't recommend carting around that much water, just because, yeah, so here's 3. That's 26, maybe 28, because I filled up a little bit higher, times 3. And that's how much water you got. And you can seal this up, carry it along with you if you're in a survival situation. Water is very valuable. If you have 2 bags, you can double bag it, because the bags are so easy to transport. A double bag is pretty useful. It is pretty strong. You know, you can cart this for a little while. Let's say you're walking. It stays pretty tough. Long distances, I imagine that you might get a poke, you might get a tear, it might rip open and stuff. 2 bags would be great. If you had just a regular grocery bag, and you put this inside the grocery bag, it would be awesome. You can, of course, tie it. A zip tie around here would be great too. So this is just the produce bag, and that carries well over a quart of water, and it still has much more space to go if you wanted to try to, you know, fill that. I wouldn't personally, because the weight might get to it, but yeah. And then when you're done with it, you just squeegee all that water out. You can't get these things 100% dry no matter what. Maybe if you like tethered up something and let the wind catch it, you know, to kind of air dry it out. But yeah, it's a pain in the butt to get these things dry. Meat bags will hold so much more water than these, and they're a little bit stronger. But honestly, guys, I think carrying, you know, 2.5, 3.5, maybe even 4 of bottles like this would be perfect if you know, you're walking out there and you have your water bottle with you on a trail or whatnot. All right, so I'm gonna get over to a video where I'm gonna show you how to neatly pack these little guys.